Solution is to eat your fruit, not drink it. If you love smoothies, make them at home. A real smoothie is a meal, not just sugar water. When you blend it yourself, you keep all the fiber. Make it a full meal. Add a scoop of protein powder, a healthy fat like almond butter, and a handful of spinach. That's a real health food. So, let's review the 5 foods that stop fat loss. Sugar-filled yogurts, granola bar, imposters, fried veggie frauds, sugary cereals, and juice bombs. It's clear that you were set up to fail by marketing tricks. But that stops today. The food industry's biggest weapon is keeping you confused. Your biggest weapon is now your knowledge.